AI to help with my life-work balance? Sounds like tech hype, right? I get it, but here's the truth. AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to give us our time back. And once I learned this and started to use some of these tools, everything changed for me. Most of us are stuck in busy mode. And what if we didn't have to schedule every meeting, plan every task, or track our habits on our own? AI can quietly run in the background and organize our days so that we can focus on what actually matters. Sign me up. Here are a few tools that actually help busy people like us reclaim our time back each week. Reclaim AI schedules deep work and breaks automatically. Motion prioritizes your daily task using AI. Zapier automates those repeat tasks you always forget. Sunsema keeps your day focused and intentional. And Calm AI plus Water Llama are great for stress relief and wellness tracking with no gimmicks, just tools that help us live and work with more clarity and calm. Still skeptical? Try just one of these tools this week and see how much time you get back. And if it works, let me know in the comments, and please share this video. Do not forget to subscribe for more ways to reclaim your time and live with balance. And until my next video, take some time to make your soul happy.